Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to deactivate BetMGM account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to deactivate your BetMGM account, what you need to understand is you can have the options from temporary break and full account closure. So for temporary break, all you gotta do is go to the Safari, head over to your browser, and then once you're inside, what you need to do is simply head over and tap on BetMGM support, then simply tap on the customer support link, and once you're inside there, go to the safer gambling tools in your account and contact customer support via live chat as well, or you can email to request it. Your account will be frozen, you cannot gamble, but you can still log in and request a withdrawal, or you can also full account close as well by simply, when logged out into your account, go to the account settings, and once you're inside account settings, tap on service closer. You can choose the close specific products or click to close or to deactivate your full account. Even after closure, you can still log in to withdraw any remaining balance. Customer support can also process a closure request if you need. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.